Welcome to Science Access. In today's class, I'll teach you a very simple topic, mass volume relationship in stoichiometry. Right, this is a very simple topic. If you know you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Now, let's solve these two simple questions for beginners. Now, if 12, now this is actually 12, not 120. If 12.0 gram of magnesium react with excess hydrochloric acid, what volume of hydrogen gas is produced at STP? Now, this is the equation. In this question, this equation is given. Some exams, it will not be given. So let's solve this. Let's rewrite the equation. Mg plus 2HCl to give magnesium chloride plus hydrogen what? Gas. Now, go back to the question. They are talking about two things. Magnesium react with what? Excess what? Hydrochloric what? Acid. What volume of hydrogen gas is produced? So they are talking about magnesium and what? Hydrogen gas. So the two things we are concerned about is this magnesium and what? Hydrogen gas. So if you take a look at this question, 1 mole of magnesium give what? 1 mole of what? Hydrogen what? Gas. That is for mole what? Relationship. Or if, but in this case, we are talking about mole volume or even mass what? Volume. Now note this, that 1 mole of any substance occupy a standard volume, which is 22.4. So 1 mole of this occupy 22.4 what? DMQ at STP. 1 mole of this occupy what? 22.4. The volume is what? 22.4 DMQ at what? STP. So it simply means 1 mole of this give 1 mole of this. 1 mole of this can give what? Or occupy what? Since 1 mole of this give 1 mole of this, and 1 mole of this can occupy this volume, and we want to what? Relate mole and what? Volume. In this case, we are not actually relating mole and volume, we are relating what? Mass. So 1 mole of this, what is the mass of 1 mole of this? The molar mass of this is actually what? 24. So 24 gram occupies what? 22.4, because 1 mole of this gives 1 mole of this, and 1 mole of this occupy this volume. So 12 gram gives what? 24 gram gives 24 gram gives what? 22.4 DMQ. 12 gram gives what? X. Just cross multiply. This times this and this. So if you use X to multiply 24, you have 24X is equals to what? 12 times what? 22.4. So if you divide both sides by 24, you now have X is equal to what? 12 times 22.4 all over what? 20 what? 4. Now, if you use your calculator, you have what? 11.2 what? dm what? Q. How do I know that? That you get this one? Because this is actually what? This value is half of this, so you are bound to get what? Half of what? This value, which is what? 12.2. So you can solve it. Very simple process. Now, divide and you see that you get this value. Now, the second question is this. Magnesium reacts with dilute sulfuric acid or tetrasulfuric acid according to the equation. Now, the equation is given. What mass of magnesium is required to produce 7.2 DMQ of what? Hydrogen. Let's rewrite the equation first. Magnesium plus H2SO4 gives MgSO4 plus what? H what? 2. Now this is the equation. So let's look. First, you have to look at the question and notice what are the elements or compound being compared. So magnesium reacts with this according to the equation. What mass of magnesium is required to produce 7.2 DNQ of what? Hydrogen what? Gas. So they are comparing what? Magnesium and what? Hydrogen gas again. So we know that 1 mole of this produces what? 1 mole of this according to this equation. Okay? So they are concerned about what? The mass of magnesium. So we are going to you know that 1 mole of this actually occupy what? Or the molar mass is what? 24. Okay? So 24 what gram occupy what? Now 1 mole of this occupy what volume? 22.4. Now they are not asking you what mass of What mass of magnesium, we don't know this, is required to produce this? So this volume, 24 gives this, X give what? This. So you have established the relationship, just cross multiply as usual. So if you use X to multiply this, you have what? 22.4x is equal to, if you use this to multiply, you have, or use this to multiply this, you are just cross multiply, you just do cross multiplication. So you use this to multiply, you have 24 times what? 7.2. If I divide both sides by 22.5, I have x is equal to what? 24 times 7.2 all over what? 22.4. X is equal to, now you just use your calculator. Remember, how did I put this under? I'm dividing this side by 22.4, which this will cancel out. I will now divide this side by 22.4, which we have what? Here. Okay, so just use your calculator. 24 times 7.2 divide 22.4, and the mass that will produce this volume is what? 7 gram what? Approximately. So it's a very simple what topic. Simple assignment is being displayed on the screen. Solve and drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching.